Welcome to Godwin Tech. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through on how to turn on battery saver in Windows 11. Just a quick one. To do that, take your cursor to this section that has the Wi-Fi icon, volume icon, and battery icon. Okay, you can call it quick access. All right, quick action center. Yeah, that's the name. So people call it quick action center. So click on that spot, then you can see battery saver as one of the options. Click on it and it will be activated. So battery saver is now activated in this computer that runs Windows 11 operating system. Okay, then there's another way you can do that. Click on the search icon, hit at the taskbar, then in the space type battery saver. Okay, you can see it has see the option turn battery saver on or off. Click on it. This will open the settings page direct that will allow us to turn the battery saver on. Okay, you can see that under here you can see battery saver. Once you click on this place, turn it on. So it has been turned on. Okay, so let me just take it back to the default state. So these are just the few steps you need to take to turn on battery saver in a computer that runs Windows 11 operating system. Please do want to subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button, like this video, and leave a comment. Okay, if possible, if you want to, maybe you want to cover anything on Windows 11, please leave a comment. Okay, in the comment section. Then you can still click on the playlist above to watch some videos on Windows 11. It will help you on how to complete some tasks in a computer that runs Windows 11 operating system. Thank you and see you next time.